Have you ever wondered why beginners seem to make incredible progress at the gym in just a few weeks? The secret lies not in the muscles themselves, but in how the brain and body learn to work together. When beginners start resistance training, they often experience rapid improvements in strength and muscle definition. This isn't because they're building massive amounts of muscle right away. It's primarily due to neurological adaptations that optimize the body's ability to lift weights and perform exercise efficiently. This is popularly known as the phenomenon of newbie gains. The neurological advantage in training lies in how the brain and nervous system adapt to improve muscle performance and coordination. In the initial stages of training, the brain enhances communication with muscles, improving neuromuscular coordination. This allows for better motor unit recruitment, activating more muscle fibers during each exercise, leading to stronger and more controlled movements. Additionally, training improves the synchronization of motor units, groups of muscle fibers controlled by a single nerve, enabling smoother and more powerful motions. Consistent training also reduces the body's natural protective inhibitory signals, such as those from the Golgi tendon organ, which initially limit muscle contraction to prevent injury. Over time, these signals decrease, allowing for greater muscle force generation. Moreover, the firing rate of nerves, the speed at which signals are sent to muscle fibers, increases, resulting in quicker and more powerful contractions. Together, these neurological adaptations enhance strength and movement efficiency even before significant muscle growth occurs. Muscle hypertrophy, or the increase in muscle size, plays a supporting role in the phenomenon of newbie gains. While strength improvements in the first 6 to 8 weeks are primarily due to neurological adaptations, beginners also experience initial muscle growth, albeit to a lesser extent. This early hypertrophy is often overshadowed by the rapid improvements in coordination and motor unit recruitment. Muscle growth takes time because it depends on the process of muscle protein synthesis, which requires consistent mechanical stress through progressive overload. During the early stages, the body's focus is on adapting neurologically, optimizing how muscles are activated and used, rather than significantly increasing muscle mass. These neurological gains create a solid foundation, ensuring that future hypertrophy occurs more efficiently as training progresses. Beginners experience rapid improvements, often referred to as newbie gains, largely driven by neurological adaptations. Their brains quickly learn to activate muscles more effectively, resulting in significant strength increases even before substantial muscle growth occurs. These initial changes also include small but noticeable increases in muscle size, which can be highly motivating. In contrast, experienced lifters face slower progress. Having already maximized neurological adaptations, their strength gains depend primarily on muscle hypertrophy and fine-tuning advanced techniques. This means experienced lifters must focus on strategies like progressive overload, periodization, and precise nutrition to continue improving. While their progress is slower, it reflects a more refined and optimized approach to training. Why beginners' gains matter? Beginners' gains matter because they highlight the body's remarkable ability to adapt quickly to new challenges. These rapid improvements serve as a significant motivational boost, encouraging consistency and reinforcing the rewards of hard work. The early neurological adaptations not only enhance strength but also improve movement efficiency and coordination, laying a solid foundation for sustained progress in strength and muscle growth over time. This phase demonstrates how small, consistent efforts can lead to visible and empowering results, inspiring long-term commitment to fitness. So how can you maximize newbie gains? To maximize newbie gains, focus on mastering proper form as a priority. Correct technique ensures efficient neurological adaptations, minimizes injury risk, and lays a solid foundation for progress. Begin with compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which activate multiple muscle groups and improve neuromuscular coordination rapidly. Gradually introduce progressive overload into your routine by increasing weights, repetitions, or intensity to continuously challenge your muscles and nervous system. Recovery is equally critical. Sufficient rest between sessions allows your body to solidify adaptations and repair muscle tissues. Lastly, fuel your progress with a balanced diet that includes adequate protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, ensuring your body has the necessary resources for muscle repair, growth, and sustained energy. In essence, newbie gains are a result of your brain and body learning to work in harmony, optimizing strength and coordination in a remarkably short time. By leveraging this neurological advantage and maintaining consistency, beginners can set themselves up for sustained fitness success. See you next time. Keep watching MedGrow and take care of yourself.